A very good morning to all of you. So today we are going to start with the chapter articles in our grammar. Okay, what are articles? The words a, an and the are called articles. We use a with common nouns that are singular, that are one, and begin with consonant sounds. For example, a boy. Now here boy is singular, only one boy we are talking about, and it is beginning with a consonant sound. Okay, similarly a carpet, a mango, all these two are beginning with consonant sounds and they are singular, they are one. Okay, now we use an with common nouns that are singular and begin with vowel sounds. Now what are vowels? Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Okay, so an is used with common nouns which are singular but they begin with vowel sounds. A is used with common nouns that are singular but they begin with consonant sounds. Now here in the example, an orange, an elephant, an earring. So all these three, orange, elephant, earring, are singular and moreover they begin with vowel sounds. We use the with proper nouns that are only one of their kind. So a and an are used with common nouns that are singular, and the is used with proper nouns that are only one of their kind. For example, the Suez Canal, the Himalayas, the Nile. Okay, now fill in the blanks with a, an or the. Dash orange. Now it is singular. Okay, it is a common noun and it is beginning with a vowel sound. So we will place an here, an orange. Computer, again it is beginning with a consonant sound and it is singular. So with consonant sound we are going to place a here. Okay, similarly we can complete the other exercise also. Ganges, the Ganges, because Ganges is one of its kind and it is a proper noun. So we can write the here. Fine. So in this manner you are going to complete the exercise. Moreover, Pushpanjali ma'am is going to provide you the answer key also. So in a relaxed mood you can complete your exercise in a beautiful handwriting. Now the next exercise is, look at the pictures. Write the words which take a before them in column A and the words that take an in column B on the next page. So various pictures are given. We just need to find out what is the beginning sound of it and if it is starting with a, if a is used, because if it is starting with a consonant sound then we'll place it in column A. If it is beginning with a vowel sound then we'll place it in column B. Okay, so the first picture is of an iron, a wall, a baby, an apple, an eagle, a bird, an umbrella, a mouse, a church, an orange. Okay, so accordingly we are going to place it like baby, church, mouse, bird, wall. They all begin with consonant sounds and they are singular. So we are going to write a before them and we are going to place them in column A. Similarly, eagle, orange, umbrella, apple, iron. All these begin with vowel sounds and they are also singular. So we are going to place an before it and we are going to place it in column B. Everyone is going to write down it very nicely. Okay. Thank you so much. Bye.